We'll see if she'll work closer away from the canopy. Neat little bird. She's about 10 years old now. I'm going to see if she'll talk for you. When you see an Amazon parrot in a show, that's usually what you're going to see. Is it doing some sort of talking stuff? What do you see? What? Okay, I don't see it, but I'm going to cheat her under the canopy more. There were some turkey vultures yesterday that she was watching, so now she's looking for them. Ready? Can you say, hello? Hello? Good girl! Let's see if I can get her to do that one more time. She should do a real big vibrato with her throat. It's super cute. Ready? Hello? Hello? Nice. Let's give her a big hand. Sweet girl. Thank you. Can you say, I want her to say, hello, my name is Lola, but she's kind of an abbreviator. So she just says, hello-la. Hello-la. Good. It's kind of, we all know what she meant. Let's try this one. You want to say hi? Still chewing. Say hi. 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 Isn't that irritating? This is another bird we got for free. And I love her. Let's see if she can do some animal sounds for you. You ready, Squirt? Can you do a rooster? Good job. Are you guys going to post your videos on YouTube? If you do, let's see, how would you find me? If you do, email me if you want to. You could go to nancy@birdshow.com or nancy@camildairy.com or nancy@turkeystampede.com or Nancy Riegler at AOL.com. All those are me, the same person. Actually, I still have Nancy Covert at AOL.com, but who wants that? She's divorced. But she's remarried and is now Nancy Riegler. Little backstory. Just wanted to share. So anyway, because I never get video of what I'm doing. And so if I could see it, I might change everything. I might not wear this shirt. I might not use this color lipstick. You don't know. You don't know how you could be affecting the show. Okay, let's do some more sounds. Did we do the rooster already? Do you want to do it again? Do the rooster. Nice. It's not funny. It's good. Can you do a chicken? Excellent. I know. She's very good. Can you do a kitty cat? No. Ooh, no. Cut. She doesn't like cats. That's a little better. Come on, don't chew on my watch. It's new. Do the kitty cat. No. Yes. No. Don't you guys want to hear it? Yes. No. Oh, so adamant. How about this? How about if I call the kitty and you pretend to be a little kitty? Can we do that? Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Meow. 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 Now you can't stop her. No, 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 no. Okay, that's quite a cat. That is quite a cat. It is time for her to do some singing. It looks like she's in a good mood for singing today, so I'm kind of excited. She's a good singer. Well, she's enthusiastic with her singing. Let's try this. The first one's just going to be a little warm up, just to get her pipes warmed up. Can you go la 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 la? All right, nice. La 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 la. Ready? La la la. Okay. Quite the range. Now this is the part of the show that I dreamed of for years, and that is when I'd bring a bird out on stage and it would sing like show tunes. Because they can do it. It's just mimicking. You just have to sit and teach it. Like when she goes, hello, hello. She learned that in one day. I was walking around on cloud nine. I thought, I've got the best singing parrot ever. Now I'll just sit with her and teach her songs. No. Now she will sing, but I cannot figure out for the life of me what she's singing. She's more of a writer. So I'll show you. We worked on this for a year. This is Somewhere Over the Rainbow. I'm going to start her off and then I'll give it over to her. You ready, Squirt? Here we go. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. That's like a crazy person. It's like Ethel Merman with Tourette's. And And I don't know when she's done because I have no idea where she is. Okay, that was it. She's very amused with herself. Let's try this one. This is going to be You Are My Sunshine. I don't know what that was, but it was cute. Let's try this one. Ready? You are my... Wait. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. Now, what's interesting, that's different than what she just did. It's another song. She's actually written about 20 really crappy songs. All right, there you go. I love this part, though. You're very funny. You're very funny. Let's do, can you do a pirate go, arr? Ooh. That's a pirate with his head over the side of the boat. Let's try the pirate go, arr, arr. I just like it. Arr, arr. I like the way her head goes, arr, 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 arr. I like that. I'm easily amused. We have no TV in there. Very, very quiet. How about this one? Do your big ferocious guard dog. There we go. Let's give her a big hand. That is our little Miss Lola.